In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Netball discount promo codes in 2025. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser, and right here you'll have to search for Netball discount promo code. Right here, go to this website which is called Penny, and as you can see right here, we have a list with some promo codes that we can use in order to get some discounts. So let's say, for example, right here that you want to get this one with up to 25% discount of all orders. All you need to do is just select this button where it says show code. And this is the promo code right here that you can easily copy. And you can use this one so that you can get a 25% discount off your next order. Also, going back to the main search, we have this website which is called Retrieve. And right here, as you can see, we have a list with other promo codes that we can use in order to get some benefits. So let's say, for example, right here that you want to get this one with 50% discount off your next order. All you need to do is just select this button where it says copy code. And right here, this is the promo code that you can easily copy. And you can use this promo code so that you can get a 50% discount off your next order. So this is pretty much all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.